Good afternoon, everyone. It is November 6th here at KIT Iizuka campus. This is class number 6 as well, too. And what that means is in the schedule, as I mentioned last week, that at class number 6, next week is our Moodle test on November 13th. And the Moodle test will only be for the last half of the class. Okay, so the last half of the class will be on our computers. So please make sure you can do this on your phone or you can do this on your mobile device. I think it's easiest if you bring your computer. Whichever you want to do, you can even do this on your phone. Whatever you want to do, make sure that you bring your headphones and that your headphones are working properly with whatever device you're going to use on the computer. My suggestion is you use your computer for the test. After that, we'll have our speaking test, and the speaking test also will be in the last half of the class. So we're going to use the first half of class number 7 and class number 8 to make sure that you know what you're doing for the conversation test, and then we'll have both tests on the last part of the class next week and the class last week. Okay. This week, we're going to do some shadow talking with this article, Studying in Japan, which I'll have you access in just a little bit. We'll also practice a little bit more in terms of reading speed. And then after that, we'll practice a little bit more of your actual speaking. So I want you to access this on your phone or your computer. It'll probably be easier to read on your computer. And if you have any questions, you can always ask me in class, or don't forget, my email is jdmcruz@gmail.com. You can always contact me there. Otherwise, let's have a good class today, everyone.